Hello, nice to meet you. This will be a tutorial series where you will learn how you can make game like lastwar.com. The game is quite simple. Uh, I mean, yes, it does become a little bit complex as you add things to it, but the basic mechanic is that you choose the right banner. If you choose the right banner, your numbers increases, and if you choose the red one, which is the wrong one, then your number decreases and ultimately you die. So you passes through the right banner and your number will start to increase, and you have to fight with those red guys, and as the time passes, whoever is more in number will win ultimately. So this is the basic game. And before teaching start before you start to make this game, I like to clear that this tutorial that you will be following is not for beginners, and we expect that you already know things like physics and rigid body, animation and animator, scripting. Basic scripting is a plus, such as if you know object-oriented programming and techniques like fix and basic know-how of how things work in C sharp. This is a big plus. Another thing that we like to that will help along the way is that you know about UI system, you know how scene transitions work, saving loading data mechanism work, playing and stopping audio, which is quite basic, but a little bit of how audio system works will help you follow this tutorial as well. So to make this little complex game, you will the first thing we will need is this person that will walk along the bridge, and let's get you started making this game. So first thing you will need is this 3D model. uh, you can use either things like Blender and stuff, which is a topic of its own, and you can create this from scratch, or for this tutorial sake you can head to sketchfab.com, and there you can search for Stickman. So Sketchfab is an excellent resource of free 3D models. Uh, there are paid ones as well with their own thing. For this tutorial I chose this model. You can choose either of this one that is free and readily available. So this is the model. As you can see, it comes with bunch of animations as well. Idle, this is dance, this is death, jump, run, walk, and so on. So this comes by default with the along with this model. So first thing you will need to do is to press this one, download 3D model. Another reason that I chose this model was it it had only 3K triangles. Vertices were less as well, so you can just download this here. Once you have downloaded, it will show up in a zip folder like this. uh, as you can see here, it will show up like this source. From there you just need to press copy, and then you need to head over to Unity Hub, press new project. Here you can select the uh, version of your Unity. I recommend going with the latest Unity version. LTS versions are more stable, so it is best that you choose LTS version since 6 is already developed. And you can choose the URP, Universal 3D line pipeline, since it is more performant, and it is more readily available on more mobile devices and has more customizations available. For example, if you go with high definition 3D, you will have problems. You cannot go to, or you cannot be able to, you will not be able to produce it on the mobile devices or for web devices. So it is best that you chose for Universal 3D. Universal 3D, with Universal 3D you can go with Windows as you can build for Windows as well. So this should be your go-to tool unless you're building specifically for Windows. So you can create project. Once the project is created, it will be showing something similar to this. For this tutorial, you need to create a new scene. I will create a new scene. Let's delete this one first. So from here, let's create a new scene. I will name as runner tutorial 1. This is your runner tutorial 1, and inside this, when you open, you will see an empty blank project opens with the main camera and a direction light. There is none to be shown yet because there is nothing yet. So since the model that we downloaded was here, Stickman for Mixamo, you need to copy it and press a new folder, make it a new folder and press it here. Once you paste it here, this is how it will show. Stickman for Mixamo is the name of the your thing. I will paste it again for your clarity sake. Okay, it's asking to be replaced. Let's rename this to 1, and then we will paste again. So now it's pasted. So Stickman for Mixamo. This is our new model. Oh, sorry. This is our new model that we downloaded, and we can simply paste it inside our scene, drag and drop and put it in our scene. To optimize it further or to make things clear, we will change this change this game object name to runner and put our model into it. So this is how it looks. Since it is little big, so we will scale it down. Our previous was fine, I think. Yeah, one was fine as it's displaying correctly. So this is our model, and as you can see, when you play the game, the model is idle and it will not move. So this is how it looks. Yet from here, first thing is to this is right now no animations are yet been played, even though the model by default comes with bunch of animations, that is dance, death, idle, jump, run, T-pose, walk. So first thing you need to do is create new animator controller, animation animator controller, and rename this to tutorial 1, let us say. Yeah, and then we will also, another thing to note is that this character by default does not have an avatar, so you need to uh, go to rig and sorry, this humanoid, apply. When you press apply, the avatar is already when you press apply, the avatar starts to show up here, and later you can just click here to start our animation. Sorry, this was the new animator controller tutorial 1. Right now it's blank. The reason being that it is blank is that we created a new one here, and now we have to import the animations one by one here from this FBX model. So what we'll need to do is left click one time this dance button. Then we need to hold shift and need to go on to at the end of the animation's name, which is walk, and then we need to press one times the left click as well. When this is selected, all of it is selected, and next you just need to drag